Hello and welcome to a quick step-by-step tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to purchase a Bzztrips package and pay with PayPal. First, visit www.bzztrips.com. Great, you are now on Bzztrips homepage. Scroll down and click on the desired topic destination. Now you will see the available Bzztrips packages and relevant information. Select the desired package, then click View Now. Now you are on the selected packages page. Go to My Account on the right top menu bar and click Sign In. Type your username and password and log in. You will be redirected back to the initial page. Take a look on all the packages and hotel details and the terms and conditions. Click on the price reference chart to see the package's price. After reviewing the package's details, you may start to make your purchase. Go to Occupancy and choose an option. Then, go to Additional Night and choose an option. Great, now click the button Add to Cart. Click the box on the top right corner, then click the Checkout button. Fill in the billing details and double-check your order. Please read and accept the terms and conditions by clicking the Agreement box. Then, click the button PayPal Buy Now. Click Login if you have a PayPal account. Or just fill in the details as a guest checkout. Then, click the button Pay Now. Your purchase is complete and soon you will receive a confirmation email with also an invoice. Please check your email. This completes today's tutorial. If you have any follow-up, you may contact us at support@bzztrips.com. Have a great experience with Bzztrips.